Ashok and meet my wife Sujata. We bought this flat in Prestige Lakeside Habitat during pre-launch. It's long back, 2013 I guess. And from that day onwards, we have planned to do our interiors in a unique way, and it should be stand out from the rest of the flats.
From that day onwards, we were thinking, okay, we have to search for an interior and we have to go for a right guy who we can rely on him. So whenever we are going any housewarming functions of friends, we were talking about the interiors, and not only the neighbors as well. So eventually we came across the Atticatch work in one of our friends' interiors, and we like it, and the finishing it came out was very good, and we thought, okay, yeah, he's the right person, we should go ahead with him. And the feedback we got from our friend made our decision stronger. After that we met Kamalesh, and the interaction made our decision more stronger. So we finalized, okay, we are going with him. Once the designing phase started, the designing is a very crucial part. The way we used to sit with him together, it was real fun and appreciable part from Kamalesh's side. He was very patient, and he listened everything from us and what are the needs. And we were very clear what we want and where we want and how we want, and he listened everything. And generally our meetings and discussions were very late night every time, most of the time I can say, and Kamalesh was available at that time. Mainly, as you see the peacock or the bubble wall or the wall map or the triangular twins, these are not the common work which can any regular interiors can carry on. So we have requested Kamalesh to take care of this, and he did well. And coming to the team's work, the site in charge is Guna, and carpenters in charge is Ashid. Their work is superb, and Guna was always a promising person, welcoming person. Whenever we come with our concerns and worries, used to say, no ma'am, no need to worry about it, it will get it done. Ashid and Guna, they were real great assets to the Atticatch. What we can say, it's we are really happy getting the work done. The soothing effect and the happiness we get in the home, that's what ultimately we expect that, and we got it.
Yeah, Kamalesh did a good job on this. Okay, it's a regular, okay, you have a carpenter, you have a painter, you have the designers and everything. It is not only that. What the important part of Kamalesh and his team is, they will take care of end to end. Okay, there is no need for me to go and do R&Ds or any other kind of a work, or let's say if I want to go for a gas connection or restore or something like that. So all these things have been taken care by Kamalesh and team, and they will suggest as well. That's a good part of that, which I liked it. Okay, most of the time.
These all the things made us the proud customers of the Atticatch, and we recommend to every other people, whoever comes to this, we definitely recommend Kamalesh to do their work. Thank you.